I'm Lou, another episode of My Car Story. I'm here with Bryan. Bryan?
Good to see you, Lou.
Good to see you, Bryan. Let's jump in. I'll grab the camera as I usually do. Now, Bryan, just for openers, let's start off with you. Give a quick shout out of where we're at. You've done some work on one of my cars, and I really appreciated the job you've done there. So where are we at?
We're at Custom Classic Automobiles in Island Lake, Illinois, about 50 miles northwest of Chicago.
And there will be a little snapshot I'll take of your website, and you're the owner.
Yes, I am.
And being the owner, you get the chance to find some cars occasionally. So let's talk about this very unique car that we have behind us. What do we have? Bryan, get a little closer with me to the camera. We have a 1969 Camaro, correct?
COPO Camaro.
COPO Camaro, and that's the big difference. So we'll do the best we can shooting this car in the spot that we have. And tell me what makes a COPO Camaro the big deal.
It's a central office production ordered vehicle. They normally came pretty stripped down as you see it, with the steel wheels and the 4x hubcaps with a big 427. A lot of them were automatics. This happens to be a 4-speed car. Not sure if that adds value or takes away.
I think the 4-speed just personally is just a little neater.
I like it myself better, but
yeah. And these are pretty straight up Camaros.
yeah, pretty plain Jane.
However, we've got our awards here for it. And there's the 4-speed we just saw. There's nothing, as you can see in the interior, that really tells you that it was that central order, central office production order, thank you. You know, there's nothing that shows that on the inside, but clearly this is all stock. I'm getting a little glare from the sunlight, but you can see it's your pretty basic Camaro. There's nothing that shows you that. So how, you know, the clear indication is going to come when we open the hood. And as we do that, I want to get a shot of the other side. I want to get a shot of the back, and then we'll kind of end with the coup de grace, which is the engine. And with that being said, here's pretty much the full shot of the side of the car for you. And let me get a shot of the rear end. Nice little flare in the back end there that you can see. Get a shot down low of the car. So let's open the hood. And this is the stock hood.
Correct.
Okay, that's an indicator then, because there is the 427 that, as I understand, was the truck motor that they put inside, and unless you were able to put that special order in, that didn't come that way. How long did it take you to restore this car, your team?
We spent 3 years on it. It's a little hard to be doing your own thing when you've got paying customers that you got to take care of first.
Yeah,
so.
I get that. And there's the hole in the hood. And let me just back out a little bit. Bryan, stand next to your car. Hey, thanks for being on My Car Story.
You're welcome. Have a good day.